You're welcome to this course. So in this course, we're going to learn how to generate realistic videos, realistic images for creating all this AI content. And you get access to this course because I gave you the link to this particular video, because it's actually on this YouTube. And if you are interested in learning more updates, how to make money, other ways to get used to all this online space, how to edit work, you can go through my YouTube videos and you can see. If you're interested, you can go through, like the last update I posted, some people are making from it, and if you're interested, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. But for the purpose of this video, which is how to create realistic videos, we are going to work on it now. So first of all, the first thing you need to do is to come to your Chrome browser. You understand? If you come to your Chrome browser like this, you are going to search Google AI Pro. This second one, you're going to search Google AI Pro, and mind you, you are not losing any money for this thing. So the second one we're going to choose is Google AI Pro Ultra. You're going to choose get access to Gemini 2.5 Pro and more. Okay, so this is the one you're going to choose. Alright, so because I have already used this email, I've already used my email. I want to go for, let me use another email and do this thing. Because so you're going to come to this Google AI Pro 2. You see this one that they wrote 25,000 and cancel per month. This is the one you are going to come to. This one. You click get started. Okay. Now click get Google AI Pro. Okay, so here we are going to add our card details, and see they are not going to deduct any money. So I'm going to use one of my card that there is no money on it for this thing. You're going to fill in the details, fill everything. Before then, you have to get your postal code, the postal code of your location. You understand? So I'm going to put in everything that I need for this thing, and then I continue the video. There is no money in this card. I have subscribed to it, and I'm telling you there is no money in this card. You just have to do it. After doing it, you have to cancel it before 1 month. Look at the one I went for, Gemini AI 2 Pro 2. I don't know if you see. So after subscribing for it, you are going to come back to our Google Play Store. We are going to cancel the card. So in case if you have money in the card, that they are not going to deduct you. Do you understand? I want to click this. You're going to click payment and subscriptions. You're going to click subscriptions. As you can see, it is subscribed, it is active, and I'm telling you that there is no money. I'm going to cancel the subscription. Okay, just have to cancel the subscription, and that is it. After canceling the subscription, we are done with the first part. The second part is to come back to your Chrome browser again and search. After subscribing, make sure you followed. You are not going to spend any time, even one kobo. You are not spending if you follow this process. But any mistake you make, you are going to lose your money. So make sure, number one, that it is a new account. Your account in the sense that you have not used this email before to register Gemini. Do you understand? So you're going to use a new email to register Gemini. Make sure that you subscribe with the one that is showing 28,000 per month. They are not collecting any money. You can try it with a card that has zero money, 0 naira, and then when you are done using the card, the points they gave you, because we are going to be applying the points in this Google Flow. That's where you're going to be generating this thing. When you are done using it, if you want to create another one, make sure it's another new email that if you have not used for Gemini, and start the whole process afresh. I just subscribed again. Let me show you. Just let me show you. I just subscribed again, and I'm not paying any time. Okay, so this is create with Google Flow, the place you are going to be making this. As you can see, okay, my point is still remaining 100 points. I can still make use of this 100 points to create anything I want to create. But let me show you again. I can sign out. Just click continue. Then let me show you my points. As you can see, this is it, 1000 points AI credit. The one I used, this one I just opened it now and I did not pay anything. The card I'm even using is 0 naira. So if you are scared, if you are afraid, or if you know you cannot follow the process, you don't want to make mistake, please use card that has 0 naira. The card that there is no money. But even if you make mistake, they return insufficient fund. But if you follow my process and you have 0 naira there, they're not going to deduct you. And after that, make sure you cancel your subscription so that it's not when money enter, you go and you understand. Make sure I will show you. You go to your Google Play Store and cancel subscription. So let me show you. You're now going to create plus. This is where we are going to be creating our project. You tell AI whatever you want to do. So in this place, text to video, you are going to describe. If you want to describe something, you want to tell AI, do this thing. You type, create a man wearing white in a Nigerian or African background, carrying cement, whatever. Let's just be. Let me just show you. Create a man smiling and shouting. So if you the kind of thing you want to create, you have to take AI. This I just say create a man smiling and shouting, have a blessed day and thank you. Then if I send this thing to AI is going to go to Igbo man. So if you want to be specific, you're going to describe it. Create an African Nigerian or create an African Nigerian man smiling and shouting, have a blessed day. I want to show you something. This one is now going to be, I'll also show you how to. This is for text to video. You describe something to AI. If you want to download, make sure this thing is in VO3. It's coming. It's going to be on this VO3. If you come to portrait and aspect ratio, this place is okay. This place is output per pro. Make sure it is 1 because if you make it 3, the more your credit is going. And the more it's going to bring out, like multiply, duplicate the things. Then this place, leave it in VO3 fast, because if you leave it in VO3 quality, it will consume more credit. So VO3 fast is okay. Right. Let me try this one because that one I screw up and everything left. That's why they did not even take my credit. I was trying to explain. Okay, the audio generation failed, but the created video, so you can. Audio generation failed. I don't know why. But you can add sound, you understand? This is very, very simple to create. You understand? Then you now come here, click on download. You download as original size. Do you understand? Okay, let's try another part. This is text to video. You can create frame to video. Frame to video in the sense you have a picture that you want to make it talk. Okay, you're going to click plus here and you upload the and you say what the thing wanted to say. See, the more you give this AI characters to the highest, I think it's 8 seconds. So you should not tell it to talk so much. 8 seconds. Okay, our video is ready. Let's watch.
If you want to learn how to create AI video like this one you are watching, folktales, faceless content, click the link below. Folktales,
This AI is super great. Let me tell you, this is the kind of thing they are using all these politicians for. I don't know this person. I just downloaded the video, the image online, and I crop out some part that I don't want to show. It's even animated these people here. They're static. This kind of thing is that they are using it to impersonate somebody, say something that somebody did not say. This is not looking so natural. Like it's very very natural. To be thinking it's in this thing.
faceless content, click the link below. If you want to learn how to create AI video like this one you are watching, folktales, faceless content, click the link below.
Alright, so that's it. You're going to come here and you download it. I want to download this one because I want to use it. Okay, you download it. If you want it to talk more, you understand, you still add her. You understand, you will still use the same image and continue. The only thing is that AI can, highest video it can create is, highest clip it can create is 8 seconds. So you have to keep generating the more clips you need. If you want to pass out an information, you have to keep using the picture. It will still be saying whatever you want to say. You understand? Okay, now that's for frame to video. Here we have ingredients to video. Ingredients to video in the sense that you can add let me show you. Add frame, countless frame that you want. And you can use even add, I think you can upload video here. Okay. Then another one is create images. Just like what I taught you how to use Gemini and others to create. Alright, I think this is it. Alright. I love this. I love this video. Oh god.
If you want to learn how to create AI video like this one you are watching, folktales, faceless content, click the link below. If
Alright,
you want
so
to
that's
learn
it.
how